Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Grand Hyatt Taipei. Neighboring the iconic Taipei 101, this hotel is centrally located in a very nice neighborhood. It is busy but very convenient for travelers. On a side note, if you're flying into Taipei Taoyuan Airport, try taking City Air Bus Line 1960, which has a drop-off right in front of this hotel. The lobby is impressively large. This is expected since there are 850 guest rooms and suites, as well as event spaces and dining options. Just absolutely huge, but is very well taken care of and quite clean. We were upgraded to a 2 twin beds premium studio with club access and the 101 view. At 36 square meters, it provided plenty of space for our family of 4. The sofa was converted to a bed, and we decided to push the twin mattresses together. The staff welcomed us with a card, a small treat, and a bottle of Evian water. The bathroom is very large with both a bathtub and large corner shower. A classy and luxurious stone decor fills the entire bathroom, which was very well lit and quite inviting. Huge panoramic windows yield extraordinary natural light and extend across the unit, and indeed a wonderful, nice view of Taipei 101. Located on the 22nd floor is the Grand Club, which serves breakfast, afternoon snacks, evening appetizers, and drinks, and this includes beer and wine. It's a large space with ample seating and nice views. Unfortunately, we checked in rather late, so there wasn't much being served. Located on the 5th floor is the spa, fitness center, and pool. I didn't use the spa, but the fitness center is separated into 3 rooms. One is for spin or yoga classes. The next is a small free weights and cardio room. And the final one has various cardio and strength training machines. When I was there, the gym was apparently the place to be since there was actually a line to get a treadmill. As Hyatt Globalist members, we are offered complimentary breakfast at either the Grand Club or at the cafe on the lobby level. From experience, we chose the cafe because the offerings are substantial. Menu items and stations include a large variety of fresh-cut fruit, miso soup and rice, fresh bread and pastries, made-to-order omelets, a noodle bar, stir-fried hot dishes, congee, soy milk, build-your-own salad, meats and cheeses, juices, smoothies, and coffee. That's quite a mouthful. It would be difficult to leave this buffet hungry, so perhaps that's why the gym was so busy. Overall, the Grand Hyatt Taipei is a solid choice. Yes, it's an absolutely huge hotel, but still a comfortable place to stay. Also a pretty good value as a Category 3 for point redemption, though cash prices are rather competitive. My nightly rate was $175 US, excluding taxes or fees. I look forward to my next stay here.